Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about how to sign out Google Play Store account from your Android mobile. So how can I remove? So keep watching this video until the end before starting my video. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates. So guys, first of all open Play Store, and here is click on profile icon top right corner, and here is click on here this arrow icon, and here is click on manage account on this device, and here is this is my Google account, and basically this is my Google Play Store account. Simply click on it, and here is remove account. So remove account, it mean sign out from your Play Store account or your Gmail account. Remove account, and here is. So guys, your Play Store account has been signed out successfully from your Android mobile. When you click on Play Store after sign outing, you can see your Play Store account has been signed out. Your Google account, basically your Google Play Store account. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.